Hey, today I want to show you a real cool trick that will help you with getting a PDF from someone that maybe you don't know what they drew on their drawing. You don't know what came from an XREF, what's from survey, what's the background file. So I'll show you. A lot of times when you draw a drawing in CAD or OpenRoads or whatever drawing you're working in and you export out as a PDF, even a GIS file will do this as well. It's going to put things in different layers. There's a little dialog on the left side of Bluebeam called the Layers tab. You click on that. It's going to show you a lot of these different lines are coming from different drawings. And so you can actually separate them out and see what you want to see. All right, let's jump in. All right, so the drawing that I'm working in here, you can see came from multiple references. And there's also this levels drawing. So this tells me that a lot of line work is in the background, maybe from a survey file, maybe from a utility drawing that's separated out, culvert drawing, property line drawing, so I could turn this on and the property lines turn off. So what I want to do is I want to figure out what is someone actually trying to show me in this drawing. So I'm going to turn off all my references and I can see here are the different water lines that are being shown on here. There's different water fitting lines. I can turn those on and off. And this is going to really help me know what is being drawn. Now what I want to do is I want to make these pop. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trace over them with a polyline. And here I go. Drawing from here to here, I'm going to convert this to an arc, hitting R to make a little rectangle. And then this is all water lines. So I'm going to go ahead and make all of these blue. I'm not going to worry about these labels here. Actually, didn't do a great job of drawing right here. And let me put a little box around this one. So I'm going to hit F6. Opens my markups dialog. And I could have Control A to all of those. Change these to blue. And these two ones that are water lines, I'm going to click on them, hold Shift to click on both. I'm going to make them 5 points, and I'm going to make them 50%. And I think that's going to help make them pop. All right, let's turn off the markups and see what happens when I turn all the levels. Now I can see what was drawn in this drawing really clearly. And if I send this off to someone else, it's going to really make it clear what was drawn. Now, someone could have theoretically plotted all of this stuff in AutoCAD as a different color. That would have helped it pop as well, but this is a pretty easy way to clearly show what is being drawn in your drawing. I hope this helped you with your PDFs, your CAD drawings, and until next time, thanks.